Welcome to our Spelling Netcast. Remember, you need to be prepared with your pencil, a glue stick, your beautiful scissors, an apple, your spelling bag, and spelling book, and of course, your spelling words. All right, now that you have cut out your words like I have, and you've taken your words and you've set them out so you are ready to, write them out, let's glue on our beautiful title. Let's stick that back up on the top here. We're doing Latin Roots, P-O-S-L-O-C, S-I-S-T, S-T-A, S-T-A-T, S-T-I-T. So let's write this up here. You notice that I didn't cut this out again. So we're going to put P-O-S, underline, L-O-C, underline, S-I-S-T, underline, S-T-A slash, S-T-A-T slash, S-T-I-T, underline. And then I've got these words that I can cut right out again and put them into my bag for at a later time, like tomorrow night, when I do my rest of my words. All right, into the spelling bag they go. All right, so now that I've finished my apple, I am ready to go. Plenty of energy. So let's start out. Round and round she goes, where she stops. Let's start with S-T-A, S-T-A-T, and S-T-I-T. So what do these mean? Well, it's kind of interesting because it really came from a Indo-European root word, S-T-A, but they are Latin roots. And so it actually means to stand. To stand. Kind of interesting. Stand. And let me show you one little thing. It's kind of interesting. I think it's interesting. Because sometimes just the ST means to stand. We get kind of lazy, I guess. And so we're going to put in rest. And then this ST means to stand, but the RE means again. So I guess rest means to stand again. Isn't that interesting? So I guess when we rest, we're getting ready to stand again. Make sure that we can stand again. Isn't that interesting? See, I think it's interesting. But let's talk about a couple other words here, because I'm not going to give you words that we already have, so I'm going to make you do a little more sorting. We're going to start out with the word constant, S-T-A, constant, which means to stand with, to stand with. So something that is constant, you stand with continually. You're always standing with them. So hopefully you're a constant friend. You know what I'm saying? All right. The other word we're going to do is statistics. Or stat, stand, statistics, which literally means the state of things or where we stand. So statistics is where we stand. And we use statistics in talking about things that we learned. So all the things that we show you, like your test scores, all those in the graphs that we show you, those are statistics or where you stand as a class. Isn't that interesting? So those are statistics. Now we're going to show you one more word, and that's instability. Instability. Now, it's interesting on instability because we have a prefix and we have a little thing on the back here, the little suffix on here, but our sta means stand. So it means, what does in mean? Unstable means not stable, not able to stand, or lack of stability, being unstable. Wow, that means not standing. Instability. We got to be careful with that word. All right. Okay, so we got instability. That's that one. Let's go over to cyst. Let's talk about cyst. Cyst is an interesting word also because it also means to stand. So we got to stand and to stand. That's kind of interesting. And so when we talk about to stand or to stand, we're talking about something like insistent. Insistent. Cyst. Remember, in means not able to stand. So if I insist, that means I stand firmly. I'm not moving. Which is interesting. Ent. E-N-T. I wonder what that means. We have to look up some of those things. Insistent. I don't know. We'll have to look what that E-N-T means on our on the website. I wonder if we have anything on there that might show us what that insistent might mean. But E-N-T. I wonder if I've got it on here. Let me look really quick. Insist. E-N-T, E-N-T, E-N-T. Do we got it? Do you guys got it? Oh, it doesn't have an E-N-T on it. But not stand, not to stand, or to stand firmly. So I guess this actually means to stand firm. I wonder if not moving. I wonder if that's what insistent means. To insist means to stand firm. But you know what? I've got another word in here. Persistent. 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 And you know what per means, don't you? Not pre, but P-E-R. P-E-R means through. Through. So this is not moving. So we're going to stand through anything. Stand through. So if we're persistent, we don't stop. Insistent means we stand firm. We don't move. Persistent means we stand throughout. So basically, both of these mean to stand firmly on something. You don't move on this one. You just keep going. And if you insist, you're going to stand firm. Let's do one more. Let's do constitution, since we're talking about, the United States. Constitution. So, this is a document that sets up our nation. It sets us up to stand. To stand. Sets up to stand. So I thought that's kind of interesting also, don't you? C-O-N, means together. Together. So we stand together. This is the document where we stand together as one. Love it. Love it. All right, we got to get on to this. We got a couple of them, but we're not going to take too much longer on. LOC means place. So if we are locating, locate, LOC. If we locate, that means we are finding a place. All right? Interesting. Now, if we relocate, which is kind of interesting also, relocate means to find a place. Right? Find a place? It's kind of interesting. All right. So, we're just going to do those two right there. Now let's get on to our last one, which is, oh, wait a second. We're going to do this one too. Locomotion. Locomotion. Move, or the action of moving to another place. Locomotion is actually moving to another place. The act of moving to another place. So there's your locomotion for today. Let's do position. Position. Now look it, we've got to stand, there's the place. I wonder what POS means. It means to put or place something. So if this is in a position, it is a place. We are putting, or it's in the place, right? And if we deposit, then we are DE, which means from. We are from a place. So we're putting it from here to a place. From or away or something. So when we deposit money, we're taking it and we're putting it into a place. Wow. From one place to another. We're depositing. So there's our words for today. What I need you to do is I need you to finish all the words and go ahead and sort them. Put them in your baggie. Just like that. And make sure that you get them all completely done. All right, so what I need you to do is I need you to finish these words now. Get them written in. Get them done. Get them done. Ooh, you know what? This is interesting. Another word here. Compost. Compost. I wonder what compost means. C-O-M. C-O-M means, C-O-M-M-M-M, means together. Place together. What are we placing together? Leaves, branches, all that stuff. All right. You guys get this finished. All right. Thanks. See ya. Bye.